Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher of New Orleans, Louisiana. And you guessed it, I am back again to teach you another line dance. If you're watching this channel for the very first time, I want you to know that this is a line dance teaching channel where I give you the step-by-step instructions. And at the end of this video, you should be able to take the steps, play the music, and do the dance. So if you like this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button so each and every time I upload a video, it'll come looking for you to let you know, okay? Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. So guys, if you notice, I haven't said anything about the NOLA Southern Experience. That's because we have postponed it to July the 7th through the 10th, 2022. Okay, so it's not next year, it's the following year, 2022. So we have the details of the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend in New Orleans on our website. So please plan to attend. Go over to our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. All the details are there about registration, about the hotel, everything you need to know about this event. So don't wait till the last minute. Go ahead and check it out. While you're there to support this channel, scroll down to the bottom and check out our store. We have t-shirts and we have towels, okay? Thank you. So if you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. So guys, this line dance, I just love it. It's called Spiritual Respiration. It's only 32 counts. It's a 4-wall dance, and I'm here to give you the step-by-step instruction. Let's go, guys. So we're going to start on this wall right here, okay? So we're going to start here, okay? And it starts up. You're going to step up on the right and tap on the left. 5, 6, 7, and step 1, 2, back, 3 and 4, sailor, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So that's your first 8 count. Again, right, left, right, tap, left, right, left, right, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, back, 3 and 4, sailor, 5 and 6, sailor, 7 and 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, and right, tap, left, right, tap, left sailor, right sailor. Okay, did you get that? Real simple. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, now the last step was on our right, so now we're going to do a lock step back. Left, right, left. So it's just like a shuffle back, left, right, left, but you're going to go step, cross, step. And that's a lock step moving back. Left, right, left. Okay? So let's add that. 5, 6, 7, and step 1, 2, left, 3 and 4, sailor, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Lock step 1 and 2, back 3, 4. So when you do your lock step back, left, right, rock, recover. Come back on your left, right, left. Okay? Once you do that, we're going to make a 3/4 turn with our right shoulder going forward. So the first thing we're going to do is step pivot with the shoulder coming forward. We're going to make a 1/4 turn. We're going to do the same thing with that right leg. Again, step and make a 1/2 turn. Okay? So you step, we'll put that leg out there first. Step 1/4, step 1/2. Okay? And you're making a 3/4 turn with the right shoulder going forward. So you're really taking the scenic route. So we go right, left, 1/4, 1, 2, and cross over, 3, 4. Okay, so that's your quarter turn and then your half with the right leg. Okay, now let's go back to the top. Step, tap, 5, 6, 7, and step 1, 2, 3, and 4, sailor, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Move it back, lock step. 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, pivot, 5, 6, pivot, 7, 8. Okay? Notice this, I did rock, recover. Forward on that right, 1, 2, then cross over with the right so you can make a half turn. 3, 4. Okay, which is 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? All right, and that brings us to our 3/4 turn with our right shoulder moving forward. Okay? So each time you make that 3/4 turn, think about that wall that's to your right shoulder, but you're going to your left, making a scenic route, because you have to make a 3/4 turn. Now let's put it together from the top. And meet me at this wall. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Move it back. 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, quarter, 5, 6, half, 7, 8. Ha ha! I know you got it. So now we've been moving around quite a bit. So we here at our wall. So all we're gonna do is just stay here. We put our right leg out and roll, left leg out and roll. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, then 6, and 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so we're gonna weave to our left. And we're gonna go 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slow, slow, triple step. Okay, so it goes crossing to the front, going to the left, crossing with the right. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes! Let's do that again. Cross, cross, step, back, step, front, and back. So, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's the step. So roll on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? Slow, slow, triple step. Slow, slow, triple step. Okay? And doing that weave. Front, step, back step, front. Okay? The last step is going to be on your right. Okay? So let's do that part. That's our 8 count. We got 8 more counts, and then we're done. Okay? All right. Roll on the right, roll on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, weave, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? Now let's put it all together. Going back to the top. Okay? So let me walk you through it. You step up, tap, left, right, tap. Make sure you lift that right leg up. Right, tap, left, right, tap, sailor left, sailor right. Move back with that lock step. Left, rock, recover. Step, pivot, quarter, step, pivot, half. Roll right, roll left, weave. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? So let's go there. All right? From the top. 5, 6, 7. Step up. 1, 2, left, 3, and 4. Sailor, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Move back, lock step. 1 and 2. Rock, 3, 4. Quarter, 5, 6, half, 7, 8. Hold here. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Weave. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes. From here on your left, you're just going to do an out and cross. Notice it got kind of bright in here. Give me a minute. The sun just came out. I don't need the light as much. Or do I? I'm sorry if I do. I think I do. Let me put one on. Okay. Okay, so we here. Okay. So we're gonna do an out and cross on the left. Out and cross, out and cross. Real simple. So we just weave to our left. So we did some movement. So now we're gonna stay put, okay? And plus our legs are crossed. So we're gonna uncross them. Out and cross, out and cross. Okay? Now they cross again. Now we're gonna slide back, left, right. Left, right. And when you slide back to the left, slide back to the right. Okay? So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, slide 5, 6. Then we're going to do a coaster step on the left. 7 and 8. Left, right, left. And that's the end of the dance, okay? Okay? And then you step up 1, 2 to start over, okay? So let's start here with the roll right, roll left, and weave 5, 6, 7, and 8. Out and cross, slide back on your left, left, right, coaster step on that left, okay? So roll here, 5, 6, 7, and roll 1, 2, 3, 4, weave 5, 6, 7, and 8. Out and cross on the left, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, slide back left, 5, 6, left, coaster step. And we're done. That's the end of the dance. So now let's go back to the front wall, our original wall. And if you notice, once you do your coaster step, left, right, left, you're already here at your new wall, okay? And you just step up, 1, 2. All right? Now, so let's walk through it again. And then I'm going to turn you to a new wall. I'm going to turn you to this wall so we can do it at least 2 times without looking back at the camera, okay? So let's finish up on this wall here. All right? So we step up. Let me walk you through it. We step up, 1, 2, left, 3 and 4, left sailor, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Left lock step, moving back, 1 and 2, rock recover, 3, 4. Here comes our turn with the right shoulder coming forward, quarter, 5, 6, that same leg, cross, half turn, 7, 8. Then hold here on your right, 1, 2, 3, 4, weave, 5, 6, speed it up, 7 and 8. Out and cross on the left, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, slide back on the left, right, left. And you start all over again. All right, let's get it. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Move back. 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, quarter, 5, 6, half, 7, 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4, weave 5, 6, speed it up, 7 and 8. Out and cross on the left, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, slide left, right, left. And that's the dance. Now, let's try it on this wall. Okay, now, forget about what wall we're on. Just think about the step. Stepping up on your right. So I want to do it 2 times, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, step right. 1, 2, 3 and 4, sailor. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Lock step back. 1 and 2, rock recover. Quarter forward, half. Back on your right. Hold right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Weave 5, 6, 7 and 8. Out and cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Slide 5, 6. Coaster. 7 and 8. Step right. 1, 2. Left. 3 and 4. Sailor. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Move back. Lock step. 1 and 2. Rock. 3, 4. Quarter. 5, 6. Half. 7, 8. Hold. 1, 2. Hold. 3, 4. Weave 5, 6, 7 and 8. Scissors. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Slide back. 6. Coaster step. All right, did you get it? Take your time with it, and also listen to the music. It's so relaxing. For some reason, I was late uploading because I had trouble finding something I wanted to teach. And I guess it was based on what I wanted to hear. And this was just perfect. I had a slow day today, and I listened to this music, and I'm like, oh, this is so perfect. Thank you, Lord, for speaking to me. So listen to the music. It's very relaxing, and breathe, okay? Breathe, guys. So thank you for watching. Let me know how you did with this line dance. Let me know, am I teaching too fast, too slow, or whatever? Let me know what you think. My name is Linda Sims. I want y'all to make sure y'all go to check out the website, the NOLA Southern Experience, July 7th through the 10th, 2022. Now y'all saying y'all think that's a long time away, but it isn't, okay? Go to the website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. Check it out and start getting ready, guys. Read all the information about the registration and the hotel. It's going to be a great four-day weekend, okay? My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.